ready to review this Dreamcase?
This.
Awesome.
All right.
Boom. Yes.
Load up.
For those of you that don't know, Tiff has a Tesla Model S. This is it right here. Silver. Very beautiful.
Her name is Vivian.
Tiff took Vivian across the country. If you check out her Instagram account, she's just gone on so many journeys with not just her, but also your daughter too, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
She's in the car right now, playing on her iPad.
How many hotels did you stop at when you were doing that trip?
I did stay at a lot of hotels, and I also did stay with friends quite a bit, but we did a lot of car camping and superchargers as well.
And I think, and you used the Dreamcase. Did you have that from the beginning of your road trip, or?
No, actually, I just got the Dreamcase recently.
Oh,
So
okay.
We did just get back from another road trip up to Northern California.
Okay.
And that was the first one that we took that we actually used the Dreamcase the entire time. I made my own version of a Tesla bed
Okay.
that we used before that.
Okay.
In the car, yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we're gonna check the tech of how it works. Just a little background info about the Dreamcase. I believe it's a European company because if you go to the website to buy it, you go to dreamcase.eu, and I believe it's $779 for a Tesla Model S, and that's the one that we're about to check out right now.
Plus shipping.
Oh yeah. All right, Tiff. So what's the first step to unloading this Dreamcase?
Okay, so the first thing I would do is take the cargo shelf off. So this just slides right off like this. And put this aside. And then we would need to put the seats down.
Oh wow.
But if you want to just get a good look at the case, how pretty it is. It's so nice.
Yeah.
And they make them so that they match your car.
And the font looks like Tesla font too. Like the three dash bars. And what's cool is they don't only make cases for just Teslas. I saw like a bunch of different other manufacturers on the website.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense if they're going to specialize in beds for the back of your car, like to do more than one type. But I think the whole idea started with Tesla.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Makes
I'm pretty
sense.
sure that's probably why the font
Yeah.
is like that. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then I'll put the seats down. The problem with making your own bed in the back, like I did before, is that it creates an incline. Having that drop. What I would do before is I would put the cargo shelf on and I would lay it down in the back and then put the foam toppers on top of that. And it worked, but at the same time it was a little bit of an incline.
Yeah.
With the Dreamcase, there's no incline. That's kind of the brilliance of the whole thing with the case. Leave it straight like this.
Yeah.
Because it fits perfectly. That's why they made it like this. So it
Yeah.
fits like exactly right.
Ooh.
And then this is the mattress part, obviously. There's the quilt. With it. It also comes with the pillows and the sheets.
Gotcha. So it's like four pieces.
Yeah, well, I have no idea what this is, actually. I have, like,
Looks like a
still-
floor mat.
Yeah, I know. I have really not. I'm sure it has some really important purpose, but I've never figured it out yet. And then this is used to keep it from falling down in the front because the mattress goes all the way past the seats, the edge of the seats.
Okay.
So where the in between the front seats and the where the back seats lay down.
Yeah.
And so this is what keeps it from like hanging down, falling down.
I see.
So then, and this is like really the magic of it, I think.
Ah,
And it
okay.
creates the platform for the bed so that it levels it out completely.
Wow, so it's nice and even.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm digging this.
Great. And so then you just take the mattress and just throw it on there. So as you can see, like now you can see what I was talking about, how it kind of hangs down.
And that's where that piece would put in?
And that's where this comes in.
Okay. Guys, there is a legit mattress inside this car.
The thing that I didn't figure out right away because I don't follow directions is you actually fold this down and zip it up. So they make it flat like this so that it will fit in the case.
Okay.
But then when you actually want to use it, you zip it and it gets like a better shape to it so that it doesn't feel, it feels like more like a pillow.
Wow. Engineering, guys.
Very well thought out.
I like it.
Pillowcases. So just basically all the little pieces that you need.
Yeah, they thought of everything.
Come in the case. Kind of a brat, so I bring my own like down comforter and my own pillows, and you know I have to make it a little bit more comfy for myself. But I'll go ahead and just set it up for you.
Okay.
And then you tell me what you think.
Oh, I like this. Yeah. Got a nice little view here of Burbank. The sunset is right. Everything is right now. Everything. It's comfortable though, like legit. Yeah, and like somebody else could fit here, like another adult. My first impressions are very positive. So we're in the back of Vivian right now, Tiff's Tesla Model S, and we have our Dreamcase just sprawled out here, and it's looking amazing. Totally Instagram worthy. You should see the way she makes this bed. But yeah, it's really comfortable. It fits 2 adults. We're sitting here and we can just lay back, no problem. And my first impressions of it are, I think the mattress is pretty soft. I could see myself laying here. I mean, I find it comfortable.
Yeah.
I do. I mean, I'd have to spend more time in it, but yeah, I like it. Yeah. Well, what do you think after using it?
I mean, I think it's sufficient, and especially for all of that stuff fitting in one case like that. I mean, that's nice, because when I had the foam toppers, it couldn't all fit in a case. It would be really hard to break it down if I wanted to take it out of the bed and or out of the car and just use it.
Yeah, especially if you're going cross country and just trying to camp, and you need more space in your truck for other stuff.
Right, there's nowhere to store the foam toppers the way that there is for the case. But on the other hand, I really felt that the foam toppers were a bit more comfortable.
Okay.
It was a little softer. But see, some people don't like soft. Some people like to have like a firmer mattress. You know how they have the different types of mattresses?
It's like a preference type of thing.
So some people like it firm, some people like it soft. And but I did find out some secret information.
Insider information.
That I could share with you. A little bird from Dreamcase told me that they're coming out with a foam topper for the Dreamcase that stores in the package too.
So you'll still be able to save some space, and they're gonna make it softer.
Yeah, they're making like for the people who prefer softer like I do.
Okay, and it's gonna be an add-on?
Yeah, it's like an extra accessory.
Oh, cool. So it's not like you have to buy a whole new Dreamcase. You could just buy an add-on if you already have it.
Yeah, exactly. Like how you would put a topper on your mattress at home.
Awesome.
It'll be like that for the Dreamcase.
Legit.
And then another thing that they told me, and this is kind of a big thing for car camping.
Oh my gosh, there's more insider information.
Oh yeah, I've got a lot to tell you.
Okay.
So the biggest problem, and people ask me about this a lot, and this is a legitimate concern, is when you're car camping, especially like if you're in a parking lot like this or something, is the light shining through the windows going to keep me awake, right? Or privacy is the other concern of it. But so this kind of kills both of those birds with one stone, and they're coming out with like a window screen, a window cover.
Okay.
For car camping.
So
Dreamcase is putting that out.
So because you have like, is this like a moonroof or a sunroof? So it'll cover the top, that whole big sheet of glass?
Well, the panoramic sunroof isn't really the problem. It's the light shining in through the windows.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow.
Because I don't know what they put on the panoramic sunroof, but they put some magic on it that makes, because you would think the sun would be shining in all the time. That would be really annoying, but it's not at all. Like it's not at all. It's like super tinted and really nice. But the windows on the side are like less tinted.
Yeah.
So and I even have really, really good tint. I have like really good ceramic tint.
Yeah, yeah.
But still, these light, it's the best, right? So but then the light shines in through the windows, and it can be annoying.
Nice. Did they give you an idea of like when they're gonna be dropping this new item?
Oh, I don't know. They said soon, but they are like really like they're super busy.
Maybe we can link back up and check it out when you get it?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. Sweet. I heard it here. Thanks for watching this first impressions video. I want to give a huge shout out to Tiff the Tesla Mom and Abbey. If you want to see a full review for this product, you can check it out on their channel. I'm going to leave the link below in the description if you want to see it. I'm also going to leave a link to their IG where you can see their whole, you can see kind of like a backlog to their whole Tesla road trip and other fun stuff. And her stories are lit, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah,
come check out my page. We're always going on new road trips too. We just went up to Northern California. We also did a trip to Banff, Canada, and we have all that on there too. And we're just gonna be doing more and more road trips. So just come take a road trip with us. It's fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya. Uh-oh.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah.
Do I look crazy? Do I look fat? Do I look like Jabba the Hutt?
Yeah, you look obese.
So how do we fix that shot, dude?
I'm just kidding. You're good.